Before we are going to start this lecture, few things that you should note is, first of all, you should install Python. Okay, Python programming language. You can use some other programming language, but since I am using it, you can see what things that I am doing using this tool. Okay, you can install it and you can use a different software too. Okay, so in Python, what I am doing, I am using a library. Okay, the library can be NumPy. Okay, it can be my random library. Actually, this random library is a sub library of NumPy. Okay, so it's better to use anything. NumPy, it's better to use NumPy, but you can use anything you like. I personally prefer this random library to draw small things, like suppose we are going to print a random number. Okay, so first of all, we are taking the library import random as rd. Okay, then I want to print something. What do I need to print? I will print some random number. Okay, rd. Okay, this is the library and this is the function random. Okay, what this will give is a random number. It will give, okay, it will give a random number. Okay, this is a random number that you can collect from this. Suppose you want to print a number, an integer. Okay, you want to print, this is the function that prints the integer values. So you don't get a integer here. Why? Because this function basically takes values. This function takes values. What are the values? Lower bound and upper bound. Okay, 1 and 6 suppose. Now run this. So it gave a value between 1 and 6. To check the code if it is correct, let's run it again. Oh my god, it's getting 6. We are getting 6. So this is nothing but a virtual dice that you have programmed using Python. Okay, so you will run the code, you will get a number between 1 and 6. That is the thing that you do. Okay, suppose you want to print, actually you want to roll the dice again and again and again to get a data set. Okay, for that let me use something like for loop. For I in a range, what range you want? Suppose you want 20. Suppose you want 20 outcomes. Okay, so 20 outcomes. You want to have a tab here because you will get error. Okay, why you will get error? You should go to the Python this website and you can find out what are the errors that can occur. Oh my god, these are the 20 entries between 1 and 6 while performing the experiment. Okay, all the experiment are random. Okay, but we are getting 20. We are getting 20. Suppose I want to increase the number of times. I want to do it 200 times. I want to roll the dice 200 times and print the outcome what I am getting. Wow, nice. I'm getting a lot of outcomes. Okay, whatever outcome that I am getting is listed here. Okay, fine. So instead of using import random, we can use NumPy also. How we are going to use it, I will tell you.